Hello and welcome to QED Stata 5 from part S28. I'm going to import the other results tab. So I've already gone through and I've put in here some short variable names, or shortish. Some of them, it's hard to boil this information down to a short thing, but it's all one word at least. And when I've done that, I'm going to get rid of this because I've saved the original file, so I'm not losing anything permanently. So that's ready. So you just got one row at the top with all the variable names in as before. So, and I also checked the bottom this time, and there are no totals this time, so there's nothing at the bottom which is going to spoil the data. So if I save that and then go off to stata, I can do the same trick as before of just try to open it. Like this. We can copy. Let's make sure I choose the next worksheet this time there. First variable servicing, so it looks okay. Okay, that's fine. So notice there's some odd values we'll talk about in a minute. I'm only doing that so I can then grab that there. Oops. Put it into the file and it's gone. So if I copy that properly, I can just do that again, and that works. Okay. So I got an automatic way of getting it in. Let's tidy it up. What's the value of using the data to show a missing value of not applicable? Well, see, what looks a bit weird here is these values of negative 99. And how are you going to get a measurement of negative 99 in this sort of data? And like for the area and this kind of thing, what's the area and what's the mean area? Minus 99 makes no sense. So minus 99 looks like it probably is a missing value. And in fact, I think if we go back here, okay, that's one reason for saving it, because I've now zapped it. But if I bring back in the original version, and it doesn't. I thought somewhere, yeah, it said, yeah. General information, minus 99 indicates not applicable as a missing variable. So all these minus 99s shouldn't really be there. What we could have done is before we imported it, you could just use that command, not that command, Control H, and put minus 99, just replace it all with blanks. That gets rid of them. So you could do that, replace 1258 blanks things. Right, so don't save that change. But as it is, because we've already imported it into stata, we can get rid of it in stata instead. Let's get rid of all these 99s. So where's the big file back here? Okay, so hopefully you can remember the way we got rid of the previous unusual missing values is to use that MVD code. So MVD code is to recode the missing values. All means looks at all the variables in stata, and here it's quite simple because there's only one, minus 99. I'm going to call that special stata missing value A. Just execute that. You can see it's immediately worked actually here. They've all changed to minus the dot A's, and stata will actually ignore those dot A's. So that's all we need to do with that. And let's get back to the instructions and see what's next. So replace the missing values, done that. Label the values of the binary yes/no variables and save the data. Well, that's easy to do because you can go to the do file and get hold of these label variables. And in here. And as before, I need to go and find, for this next part, the name of the different variable, the name of the different binary variables. I'll try to type those in here. So I'll just pause the video while I get those variables names and put them in here for you. So there we have it. I've gone through and taken the yes/no variables here and have those into the do file. So then we have to, so it's label values, then all the binary values I want to relabel, and then what I've called it yn label. So this should do that. Oh, did that this time, so perhaps there's an error. These have not changed. Oh no, I'm looking at it itself, that's not going to change that. Where's the... Yeah, so all the yeses and nos have been labelled up, as you'd expect. Good. Save the data as a new data file. So we'll just, again, the joy of code, just copy this stuff down to here, and we can call this Madagascar 2. Oops. Which we can then execute like that. Okay, so now we got down to here. So the situation now is we've imported both the separate worksheets and saved them as two separate DTA files. Next challenge is to merge these together into one single file so we can analyze it in stata. So I'll do that in the next video, and thanks for watching.